If you love movies but hate going to the theater, then stay home and get a surround sound system. Imagine this. You're watching your favorite movie, and it feels like you're right in the middle of the action. That's the magic of a home surround sound system. With crystal clear audio and booming bass, every explosion, whisper, and musical note comes to life. It's not just for movies, though. Your music playlists will sound richer, and even your gaming experience will reach new heights. And guess what? Setting it up is easier than you think. No need for a tech degree. Just plug, play, and enjoy. Plus, it adds a touch of sleek style to your living room decor. So, why settle for basic TV audio? Upgrade your home audio experience now and make every moment epic. Your ears and your family movie nights will thank you.